Hello everyone, welcome back to Uri Design Studio. I'm so glad you're here. In this video, I'm going to share with you my honest opinion about loops and threads crochet kits. These are all the kits that I got. I still have a couple with me. This is the bear. It came out pretty good. The frog. Look, came out pretty good. This is so cute. I adore this one. And the taco, as you can see. Now this one is the snail, and as you can see, the yarn in the kit is a darker color combination. This one's lighter. I messed up on this one and I decided to do it all over, so I had to use another yarn, and I will try to make your journey easier, giving you tips and giving you advices on how to go around the patterns that they provide. So let's get started. Let me show you how you can use these kits even if you are a beginner. We're gonna take a look at the taco. The kit brings everything you need. I gather all the materials. I recommend you to use the crochet hook they give you. I'm already here round 8, and now we're going to do 9 and 10. After completing round 10, we're gonna make the border with this. I suggest you to put the yarn in a ball like this to avoid tangling. Now we're gonna do the border, which I think is one of the hardest things to do. I started already from right to left. The pattern starts with 3 chains, skipping a stitch, and create a slip stitch, changing the color yarn like this. And you're going to keep carrying the other yarn and pull it tight. Now making 3 chains. Then we're going to skip another stitch and then make double crochet in the same stitch. A total of 6 double crochet all together to form the shell. Now that you completed all 6, you're gonna do 3 chains and skip 1 stitch, switch into red, making a slip stitch, and continue making the same pattern by making 3 chains first, skipping a stitch, and making 6 double crochet in the same stitch to form the shell. You're gonna continue making that, switching to the other color. And you're gonna make 5 red and 5 green. 1 more green to do. Switching right after the 3 chains, slip stitch, 3 chains, skip a stitch, and make 6 double crochet in the same space. Time to add the eyes and the mouth. Follow the instruction. They tell you exactly where to position them. securing it with 2 knots, cutting the excess. Now it's time to close our taco, fold it in half. Make sure that both ends are matching so you can grab a stitch from one side and the other at the same time. Continue all around, and as you go, you put the filling in, and that's it. So what do you think? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm encouraging you to go to Michael's and purchase this kit. I believe you can purchase this also online, so don't feel intimidated. If you are a beginner crocheter, I believe you can do a couple of them. Maybe not all of them because they require you a little bit more skill. In the description of this video, I'm making a list to guide you which one is level 1, level 2, or level 3. So until next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye.